Hey plumbing specialist, my name is Lee Terbienic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of our time. First thing I want to go over is content. Now, content has to be unique content and it can't be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. You guys need at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be optimized with Google. And as we scroll down your site here, you see you guys don't really have much content. I like the layout, but the content could be a lot better. I'd say you maybe have 100, 150 words total on your homepage. So I wanted to look at your competition, so I did a little search, plumber, Glendale, California, and it's showing Mike Diamond Services, his service page is your competition for the organic section. So I wanted to see what kind of content he had. He doesn't really have much either, and these location pages usually don't, so they're pretty easy to beat out if we do it right and then bring all the business to you guys. But okay, so that was the first aspect of content. Now I'm going to break down Google for you. Google's broke down into 3 sections. This top section is Google Ads, and people can pay to be here. Now this is cost per click and can get very expensive if you don't do it right. And it's completely unnecessary if you're ranking in this GMB section and in this bottom section called the organic section. So that's what an ad is, and like I said, it's very, very costly. Now as we go down to the second part, this is called the GMB section, and as you can see, Right Price Router and Plumbing, Premium One Plumbing, and Roto Rooter Plumbing and Water Cleanup. That's the top 3 guys here. So what gets you ranked in this section is called a citation. Now a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in directories such as Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, even Facebook can give you a citation. So I wanted to see how many citations this top guy, Right Price Router Plumbing, had. So I have this tool I use called WhiteSpark CA, and it's a local citation finder. And I put you guys, your information in here, and then the top guy, Right Price Router, and you guys have 14 citations, and he has 39. So he's beating you at the moment, but not by a lot. Like I said, 39 is not a lot, and we could easily go up above him, get 100, 200 for your business. And also I like doing that because it gets your name, address, and phone number in more directories so people can find you when they're looking for your service. But also the best part about this tool is we could click right into whatever citations he has out of his 39 and go and get the best ones. Now this DA is the domain authority, and this shows how powerful the source is and how much power it's transferring. So we want to go after these powerful ones, and Yelp, Bing, and as you can see, all these red ones are submittable, so we can go and submit for your business. So we'll get all these from him and then go and get 100 to 200 more for your business and go up above him, and within due time you'll be ranking above him in this GMB section. So that was the citation, that was the GMB. Now this third section is called the organic section, and this has to deal directly with your website. So as we scroll down, this is a directory Yelp. This is the first guy, like I said before, Mike Diamond Services. His Plumber Glendale page is ranking at the top. So I have another tool that I use, it's called Ahrefs, and I put in plumbing specialist, you guys, and this will show me an overview of all your stats, such as your UR and DR, which is the overall trust flow to your website, and this is the strength of your backlink profile. Now a backlink is what ranks you in this section. So a backlink is any other website that refers back to your website, and it transfers power from that website to you. Now all backlinks aren't created equal, just like a citation, so you got to think of it as you would want backlinks from other plumbing and maybe construction sites that are kind of same in your niche. If Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it wouldn't transfer much power, being you guys don't sling pizzas for a living. So you want to stay relevant when it comes to these backlinks. But you guys have a 32 UR and a 22 DR. So that tells me that the strength, yeah, you have 1,000 backlinks from 86 domains, but they're not very strong. So I wanted to see what Mike had. Mike Diamond Services, he has an 1138, so he's doing a little bit better in that backlink profile because you had a 22. So you can see his backlinks are stronger. He's got 2,000, giving him 20,000 backlinks. And this is the referring domains. This is how many websites are actually giving him this total amount of backlinks. And the best part about this, we can go into his referring domains, just like with the citations, and go see all these powerful ones and go submit and try and get these for your business and start adding and going up above him. Now that's what will get you to climb these rankings, is adding backlinks and powerful backlinks. Google loves them and considers them a vote. So any other website that has a hyperlink in it that you click and it shoots you to another website, that's considered a backlink, and Google, like I said, loves that and eats that up. But I wanted to touch base on your keywords here. Now this will show me the actual keyword that people are typing into Google, how many times it's being typed in Google each month, and this will show me how hard it is to rank for. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. So plumbing specialist, that's your name, we know that, so you're automatically going to be getting people and clients from this. It shows that you're in the first position. But you want to go after like plumbing specialists, Riverside, California, or whatever cities you offer it, or whatever services you offer, such as sewer cleaning, Riverside, California. Anything you guys do, hydrojetting, Riverside, whatever people would type in, that's what we want to kind of target. So you got plumbing contractor, Riverside, CA. It's a 30 search volume, 12 KD. It's a little bit high, but you're ranking 16. So that's on the second page. It goes 1 to 10 for the first page. Let's see some other. Plumbing company, 20 and 14. Riverside Plumbing Services, 40 and 12. So there's a lot of search volume in Riverside. I'm kind of curious as to see what there is for the other service areas that you offer. And what we'd want to do is pick out the ones that have a high volume, low KD, and put them into that 1,500 words. So you got to think, this is 30 people typing emergency plumber, Riverside, California each month. That's 30 jobs that you could be having if you were ranking number 1. So like I said, but these all fit throughout that 1,500 words. You usually put one per every 100 to 150 words, so you don't get caught for keyword stuffing. But so that was keywords, and now let's go back over what we talked about. The first thing was content. You need at least 1,500 words on your homepage with those keywords throughout it, so you can start pulling those searches to your website. And if you add backlinks and strength to your website, you'll start climbing the rankings. The second thing I wanted to talk about was the citations, which is what ranks you in this GMB section. You guys want to have at least 200 to 300 to beat out the competition by a landslide, and plus get your name and address and phone number in more directories across the web so people can find you. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was the link juice, or backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number 1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember, so I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 570-240-5257. Once again, my name is Lee, and my number is 570-240-5257. I look forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a great day. Any and all feedback is appreciated, and yes, we'll talk with you guys soon. Thanks.